Hello everyone, my name is Chirag from Srinivas Institute of Technology, Valachil, Mangalore. So, I'm from first year BE Valachil AIDS, my branch, and my USN is for SN23 AD 013. Okay, we are came today for discussing the innovation and design thinking workshop. Okay, so my startup company is Vital Ecotech Solution. That is simply we have say simple what we can say as wet solutions. Okay. My product, present product is nothing but green gold fertilizer. Is my present product. Okay. Wha- Product proposed name, nothing but first I have what name that product as bio waste organic fertilizer. Okay, so I have done some modification in my product, and then I will what changes in my product, so that will came up with new one that is nothing but green gold fertilizers. Okay, so I'm submitting this workshop of innovation and design thinking to Dr. Prasad, Innovation Ambassador SIT, and Dr. R.K. Hegde, convener HOD of AU and AE, and Dr. Srinivas Mai, our beloved principal. Okay, of SIT Mangalore. So next, empathizing. Empathizing is nothing but my product. What are the modification is required in my product for their requirement? Like customer said with me, what are the modifications required? Like, nothing but in fertilizer. What are the modifications are required for them? So mentioning some of the requirements and feelings about the product are said by the customers during the empathizing activity. So the first customer said that it should be a good growth and none of the insects should attack those plants and that tree, and no harming to the soil and habitat which is present, and no harm to the soil and soil particles. The first customer said that when we are putting that fertilizer into the what soil, like n- it act as a fertilizer and act as a what pesticides for the plants. We know that there are many something what insects are affecting to the plants, which will detect the growth, which is what destroy the growth of the plants. Like there are many what insects are present. So what they said, like it should be like good growth should be there, and none of the insects should attack that those plants. While putting that what fertilizer to the plant, there is nothing what if the soil has many nutritions, it does not affect the nutrition of the soil. It should be rich in the what nutrition in the soil particle. It doesn't harm to the soil. If it is harm to the soil, it becomes soil erosion in that particular place. So the second customer says that it should give everything whatever the plant require. Like in some of the places there's a lack of some nutrition, but our aim should get a perfect element to the soil for the development. So what is the second customer said that whatever the modification required in our product is should give everything whatever the plants required. What does plant requires in common? Plants required vitamins, proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and like something water and carbon dioxide for the respiration and photosynthesis. What plants is required. These many things. So whatever the nutrition we can give, we will give that to the soil. So we our aim in some of the place like in summer season or in winter season or in summer like in our like coastal region or some upper region or like northern region, southern region, in that soil there is a lack of some nutrients like vitamins, like phosphorus or nitrogens. In some of the places like scarcity of that nutrients, but our aim is should be give everything in that fertilizer way. Every nutrition should be added in that fertilizer, so the plant can get a good growth, good water, good growth and good development where we can do this one. So what does third customer says that hereby we are using AI machines. So Now this is nothing but AI era, isn't? Now everything is AI. Whatever we are saying, AI, AI, AI. Okay. So why should we not use fertilizer to connection with AI? So we're connecting AI to this what fertilizer. How? So hereby we are using the AI machines where we will put the organic fertilizers in the minimum amount along the required water, and also we are checking the soil fertility in that region, and we are going to check the nutrition of that soil, and we are what are the minerals are in the minimum amount. We will feed that minerals to the organic fertilizer. Here everything is fulfilled to that plant. So what does that third customer says that we like now is AI, no? So we are making on AI machines where we will put the organic fertilizer in the minimum amount. See, fertilizer is good for plant. We all know that. So what does it mean that if you put more fertilizer to the plant, what happens? It will if the more fertilizer if we put the plant, what happens is it will detect the it will like it will destroy the growth of the plants if we put the more fertilizer. So we have to put in the minimum level. See, if you're eating more food, what happens? You can't walk in single, like you can't walk more. So if you take more food, you will goes to die. Who say? We can't say anything. No. So same as plant also. If you put more fertilizer, plant will get like it will die. So due to some of the vitamins we are adding. Okay. So, what does AI do is AI goes to the near plant and it check the plant fertility. So it checks the plant's fertility and whatever the nutrients are absent in that soil, and what are the plants, what are the particles, what are the nutrients required to that plant. The AI will detect that one using sensors. So what AI robot does is it will give the vitamins, proteins, NPK like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, everything they will put to the plant with the minimum amount. Here you should note that it is to minimum amount it is required, not more than we are using here. Okay, so if it is minimum, it's good for plant. So we are checking that what are the nutritional levels in the soil, and so AI will detect that, and AI will give that one to the respective plant, and this is what plant is required from our side. Okay, so this we completed empathizing. So based on empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customer, many new features are added to the existing product. What is my existing product? Existing product name is bio waste organic fertilizers. Okay. Futuristic product name is nothing but green gold fertilizer. So you know that what is gold? It is very valuable thing in our earth, isn't? So green gold fertilizer is nothing but green gold is very important for the plants, for respiration, for us. Without plant, we can't humans or animals, we can't respiration. So the without plants and trees, there is no human in the earth. You should know that because my topic is fully based on the fertilizer. Okay, plants will giving what like fruits, vegetables to us. So what we will give? So we will give that we will give a fertilizer for the development of the plant. Okay, so ah, what are the additional features we have added to that product? Like my product, what are the additional features I am added? So we are collecting the bio waste from the restaurant or temple. Okay. See, normally that NPK, we commonly we know that NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. So these are in now situation what they do is fully chemical. So plant will grow. I know that you putting that fertilizer, but it will lose the soil fertility. The main thing is losing the soil fertility. So our aim should not do that. Our aim should do what is that is we are increasing the soil fertility along the development of the plant. So and where we were collecting that nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. So we are collecting that bio waste from restaurant and temple. Restaurant there will be food waste, isn't? Meena wasting the food, and they will cutting some of the onions, onion peel, and waste onion, waste tomato, which is good for the when we are decomposing. Decomposing takes place. Okay, we are decomposing that all think whatever the bio waste is taken from the temple or restaurant or some other places, we are going to decompose that in a remote place. What is remote place is nothing but far from the human, far from the where we are living. So what is mean by decompose? Decompose nothing but we are taking all bio waste to one of the places and we are going to decompose some of the manure is there for the decomposing. So then we are adding some of the extra minerals where plant required in such amount for the photosynthesis and can easily make out. I have explained this concept in last thing itself. So collected waste are fermented. See the you can see here like where is it is yeah collected waste is fermented. Collected waste is fermented in the remote areas nothing but where there is no like contact with human like not peoples. In example, in Dharmasthala in Dakshin Kannada, where there is we are seeing that bio waste fertilizer they will going to fermented. Okay, so we are using AI machines vehicle for supplying required amount of water. I have explained this one in before thing, isn't AI using that how much plant required nutrition, proteins, so what are it requires. AI will senses that they will give that whatever it required to the plant. In our fertilizer, the pesticides are included, which is purely organic. Like which I said in before, in our fertilizer, we are adding pesticides. It's nothing but it is purely organic. Okay, it is purely organic. Where neem leaves are extracted. Okay, where neem leaves are extracted. Okay, going to the next topic. Okay, uh, see, it's very organic fertilizer. You can see in like I can't do the drawing of organic fertilizer. It's like mud, no, so I can't draw. So I will draw some of the images how the packet will be there of organic fertilizer, whatever the bag we are doing, like filling that. So bio-based organic fertilizers. Here you can see this is what plant growth. Like we are using this is nothing but AI. Then growth the plants, nitrogen, these many things we are seeing. So it is the last. Okay, I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment our opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Okay, so what I'm doing here is the main thing. I have said these many points. Whatever I'm making that product, whatever the customer said, whatever I have modified. Okay, so now you are the viewers, and whatever you required, like if you want to modify what my product, you can say in a comment section. I will read that comment. I will do my best for that fertilizer because fertilizer is the many it is the main important thing for the plant. Without plant we can't survive, so we will give perfect the plant, then only plant give us gift as a fruits and vegetables. Okay, if you have any doubt relating to my concept you can ask in a comment. And okay, so thank you. So please like my video, guys. At last I'm going to say is please like my video, comment whatever doubt you have, and if you want have any if you want any modification in my product you can say in comment section. I will read the comment and I will do my best of this product and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.